Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on implementing dark mode in Flutter with GetX. In this video we'll cover how to add GetX to your project, setting up the folders to have the ideal structure, how to create a simple state controller, injecting those controllers into the UI, and at the end we will see a live demo. Let's dive in. First, let's add GetX to our Flutter project. You can simply just type into the console flutter pub add get, and it will automatically add get to your pubspec.yaml file. And then don't forget to save the file or either run flutter pub get to install all the dependencies. And with GetX added, we are ready to proceed. Next, we'll set up the files folder structure for our project. For this small demo, I decided to use just two folders, one named controllers and the other screens. In the controllers, we add our GetX controllers, which will control, for example, our settings or some other data we want to sync up. And in the screens, we just put our UI components, UI elements, basically just for demonstration purposes. Inside the controllers folder, we've created a file named settings controller, and here we can see a really simple controller having just one element. I call it isDarkMode, and it's a boolean. We set it to false, and we add the .obs extension to make it observable. And we also have created a method for convenience purposes to toggle that value from true to false. In this step, we want to put our settings controller into the get system. So before running our app, we simply just call get.put and add our controller. With that out of the way, we can just simply wrap our getMaterial app into an OBX, initialize the settings controller, and fetch the value at the theme mode, where we can just look if the value of isDarkMode is true and set the theme mode to dark, and if not, we set it to light. And don't forget to add your own dark theme so you actually see a dark UI. In the settings page, we can simply initialize the controller like this, and afterwards we use it in our component by simply calling our method and the onChanged method out of the switch list tile, and the value is our isDarkMode value. To make the UI also update according to this value, we need to wrap our switch list tile with an OBX widget. And here we can see a simple demonstration of the app with the toggle on the second page, and the application is updating in real time. At last, thank you guys for watching the video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Flutter tips in the future. And thanks again for watching. See you next time.